Here I have taken half cup of cocoa powder. In this powder I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar, now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Here I am having 1 cup of corn flour which I am going to pour in this bowl. Now I am going to add 1/4 cup of milk. I will stir it till it becomes smooth. You can see there is no lumps. In my hot chocolate, I am going to use Cadbury Dairy Milk. It's a dark chocolate, and I like this because it gives buttery and creamy flavor, which I like most in hot chocolate milk. I'm going to chop it into small pieces. So I'm going to chop my chocolate in a small pieces. You can use any kind of dark chocolate, as I told you, in a small pieces. So now I'm going to make a hot chocolate. I'm going to pour half cup of milk in my kettle. Now I'm going to heat up this milk, and I'm going to add the mixture of cocoa powder, sugar and a pinch of salt which we have made. I switched my gas to low. Now I'm going to add the mixture of corn flour. Now I will turn off the gas and I'm going to add the chocolate. You can see the thickness. This is optional. You can serve this with a whipped cream, or you can directly have it. Some chocolate. Now you can have it.